Your Excel workbook contains sensitive strategic data, so you want to require others to enter a password to open the workbook. Click File, click Protect Workbook, click Encrypt with Password, type your password, click OK, retype your password, click OK again, and click Save. Now when I open the workbook, I'm prompted for the password. I'm going to store the password in a safe place. If I forget it, there's no way to recover it and no way to open the workbook. If the workbook's shared on the network, make sure only people you want can delete the workbook. You may need to work with your organization's IT staff on this. Alternately, you can share the data freely with anyone without requiring a password, but require a password to make changes to it. Let's look at how to do it, this time in the worksheet of a workbook. Right-click the Worksheets tab, click Protect Sheet, type your password, click OK, retype your password, click OK again, and click Save, or use the keyboard shortcut Control-S. If you try to make changes to cells or charts in the worksheet, you get an error. Again, if the password's forgotten, there's no way to recover it and make changes to the worksheet. You may be able to copy the data to another worksheet, depending on how the original worksheet was protected. But better to store your password in a safe place, just in case. In this case, someone could delete the password-protected worksheet from the workbook because the workbook's not password protected. We'll go over how to prevent this in the next video.